Hello everyone, I welcome you on my channel. My name is Gayane. I'm a teacher of different dances, mostly of Caucasian dances and of the dances of Russian gypsies. So maybe you have seen like this style of steps, something like this, when a dancer uses a shawl. Yeah, something like this. So today I'm going to give you like small instructions how to turn them, how to learn to work with them, and if you would like, you can get into details by messaging me. Okay, first of all, let's understand the position of arms. You see, my arms are banded. They are not straight, right? They are banded. This is the first thing. The second thing, how do I keep the shawl? Sometimes it's like this, sometimes it's like this, but never like this. So you need to understand that you don't use all your fingers to keep it. So now, the first thing that I do, I bend and move my left arm towards the right. Then I get my arms in front of me and change the position of hands. Once again. So the first thing is moving left arm to the right. 1. Then turning the position. 2. Now I move right arm to the left and left to its place, like 3, okay? From here, 3. And now I keep on moving my right arm, 4. So it's like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, turn, 2, 3, 4. Okay, don't forget about this position. This is 1, for example, and this is 2. So, and when you practice it, I can stand like this. Keep it not lower than your face. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another thing is some people do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't recommend doing it because if you do fast movements with your legs, it will not be convenient. So this is your face. Keep it, let's do it, let's practice it this way. This is your face, yeah? Keep your shawl not far from your face. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you do 2, it's kind of at the level of your face. It's not here, somewhere here. 3, 4. And you can try to do this step. I have given it before in my gypsy dance classes. For example, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Your knees are bended. Your right leg goes forward 1, left touches at the same place 2, right goes back 3, and left touches 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to try to connect our arms with legs. So when my right leg goes forward and I do 1, 2, it means that I do first 2 steps with my arms. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just, I recommend you practice like this. And when you feel convenient, try to connect them all together, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can do turns like this. Yeah, depending on your speed. Okay, thanks for watching me. Have a nice day. Bye.